You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 13 over 2 greater than 61 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7 over 2 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 13 over 2 greater than 61 over 2.